1, 2. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Yes, greetings to you, and I name Black Steel, the players upon instruments, the one who plays bass, drum, rhythm guitar, keyboards, backing vocals, percussions. I tour around the world, backing various artists. Back in my days, I used to back Winston Groovy, Desmond Decker, Johnny Alanda. And I used to back, then obviously back Freddie McGregor, Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs. Then back Master Griffiths, Ken Booth, Pat Kelly, Errol Clay, Vivian Jones, Lorna Bennett, even who else I back? Rudy Thomas, who's there again, and Tony Brevet from Melodians, and Justin Hines, who was my true favorite artist. So you can say I've backed so much Jamaican artists over the years, and it was really fun. And talking about this pub here, where I'm sitting here right now, used to be known as the George Canning Pub. It was in 1980 to 81. Every Friday we used to carp this pub, and this place was so solid that too many people could even get in. But now from George Canning to Hobgoblin, now it's known as the Hotananny. And this is where it's all at now, because the Scottish people took it over. And now this is a pub venue, and there haven't been no problem, hasn't been no trouble or nothing. Everybody just having a wonderful, blessed, good time, and David Radigan plays here, Yah Revelation 18 plays, and various DJs come and play here. So this is such a nice feeling and different certain atmosphere. Jerk chicken, everything can cook out here, and people just having a wonderful lifetime here.
So who's you back in tonight?
So tonight who I'm back in is again for the second time. The second time is Twinkle Brothers, and the lead singer is Norman Grant, his older brother Reuben Grant, and on bass is Dub Judah, on drums is Barry Prince, and on keyboards Brother Errol, and myself Black Steel on rhythm and lead guitar and backing vocals.
You mentioned earlier that the life of a musician is very, very tough.
Well, life for the musician is very tough because, like I said, everybody go through fame and some reach it big time, but still when you reach big time and you make a lot of money and you don't know how to control your money, you spend it on woman, you spend it on this, you spend it on that, fancy car, this and that, and you never know, sooner or later in the next few years, boy, you're gone bankrupt. That's what happened with MC Hammer and the one and get bankrupt. And said me don't wind up like that because me not looking a fortune. All I've been looking is fame, and let them know say that is what we like, is to back artists, get a little wages and come home, pay with bills, and that's what we do.
Just give me a little idea about your current schedule. I hear on Monday you're off to, was it Monday or
Well,
or
as
Saturday?
you know, that is say May the 10th. I'll be on tour back in again. Supposed to be Lee Scratch Perry.
If I was a young musician wanting to get into the business, what kind of schedule could I expect, right, to be on? For example, on Saturday, you're scheduled to leave here to go on
tour.
Well, give us a little.
Well, to me, everything's been when they book your ticket, man, and you just say, well, look, you got a job to do, you just go and do it, you know. I mean, I remember I used to leave from here and fly to America with Twinkle, no rest at all. Then, well, we still get a little couple hours sleep, but me, I was so knocked out, I still have to wake up and say, we've got a show to do. Reach back to the hotel, and then by the time we have to get up again, and then after hours, and fly out the next morning and fly back to England. Now that is a bit, you know, but so I still eat something on the plane, but I can't wait to knock out. And by the time we knock out, we never know said that that the plane did land. When I woke up, I said, wait, what? And I heard I felt it's a poke. What? We reached? Long time, huh? And the rest of the passengers were nearly off, and I was the only one left fast asleep. And I said, well on here. Okay, and then I just said,
You were talking about your schedule earlier on. You're gonna leave here Saturday.
By train, we're going by Eurostar.
Yeah, but it's the part that got me was the fact that you're gonna leave here Saturday. Come back on Monday
morning. And I have to rehearse.
Go to rehearsal.
And then leave the Tuesday straight to France. And come back the next following day. It's hard work, I know, but I have to survive. Just to see, it's different from the artists, but we musicians, we just play. But it is really hard work. It's still hard work, but we still manage it.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think that the backing artists and people that do the backing vocals, do you think they get the kind of recognition that they deserve?
Yes, oh yes, definitely. Oh, definitely, because they're well known all over the world.
Oh, they are?
Yes, they're well known all over the world. Like, for instance, Lee Scratch Perry, he's known worldwide because he wrote the majority of some of the songs for the Wailers, you know. So, you know.
But Lee is more like an upfront individual.
He's
He's not
75
really.
years old, you know,
He's not
so
really.
he's a legend. At 75, he's still going strong. But, like I said, no, Black Steel ready to have a sound check.
All right.
one, check one, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 2, check it 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Check it 1, 2, 2. Yeah, 1. Yeah, I sit by my window to taste the night. Just falling, just coming home. My days are nice, and my nights are day. Everything I do, child, seems to turn around. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2.